Hello, everyone. Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. So, welcome to the Christmas Cheer 2021 collab, which is hosted by Jamie, who is Poetspice. So, what we're going to be doing every second Friday of the month, we will be making Christmas projects for the entire year. So, hopefully and prayerfully, I will complete this awesome collab and have all of my projects done and hopefully mailed out in time. That's my goal, to make stuff and actually have it mailed out in time and not wait till November. So we'll see how that goes as the year progresses. All right, but all of the lovely participants, their links will be in the channel. In the description bar below. The hashtag, if you want to play along, everything will be in the description bar below as usual. So yeah, on to the rest of the video. All right, everybody, I am back. I tell you, these days are rolling on by. Okay, so I was cleaning up, and so this time I wanted to use. Actually, this technically could go for next week's video. Some that I hadn't used 6 months, or well, in my case, ever. So I put out the Unity Stamp Holly Girl stamp set. Angie is an Angie girl, so I used that. And I pulled out these paper tray ink line notepads. They're 2.5 by 8 inches long, cream and white. And I use my Nouveau glaze that I love, and my, what this thing called? Spectrum Noir or something. In my mind, it escapes me. But anyway, and then I open up this pack, this thick wood grain, and this right here. So I made some as you can tell, notepad holders, and I will link the video to paper tray ink, showing you how to score. It's real simple. And then so here's the first one right here. So like I said, I'm trying not to touch it because I don't think it's all the way dry. That's the thick cardstock, and so I just used the tri-blend markers and colored it the image up. Fussy cut the image out. The enamel dots is from the Stamps of Life. I really didn't want it just traditional, like Christmas. But of course you can tell that it's Christmas by the sentiment. But that's the first one. And you can make it wider. And this one I put a beige, the cream notepad. You can make it wider, but I figured one was just good enough. And then here is the second one. On the second one, I added the little ribbon closure. I know this one is still wet. And I just added the ribbon to this one just to change it up and put the sentiment on the top. Scattered out the enamel dots more. And on this one, I used the white notepad. So I thought this would make a great little something to stick on the desk or in the purse or whatever. Write notes in to do what we do. And yeah, so I can't wait to see what everybody else made for the collab for the holiday. Like I said, we rolling right on by. It's getting on down. This was quick to make. The longest was the coloring and then trying to do the fussy cutting, which I despise. But you know, it is what it is, and I really do like the way that they turned out. So I hope you guys have a blessed day and check out the other collaborators in this group. Seem like I need to say something else, but it escapes me. Okay, bye guys.